Welcome back to another episode of No Time to Be Hungry. Today I am standing in front of a famous place called IHOP. IHOP stands for International House of Awesome Pancakes. Well, pancakes. My mother used to work here when I was a kid in South Florida. But this is home to some of the best pancakes in the world. They do sell Belgian waffles here too, but they also sell an awesome lunch menu and dinner items as well. Let's go inside, let's see what's on the menu, and let's have some awesome pancakes. For lunch, actually. I have Lori and Paige here going to help me with the menu today. Today, it's actually not today, but it's Halloween time. I say time because it's going to be drug out for the rest of this month. Then Christmas. Forget Thanksgiving, just straight to Christmas. But look at that awesome Reese's. One of my favorite things on the planet is Reese's Pieces. So I'm going to get that.
Okay.
Of course, along with some other things. Paige got something on the lunch menu, but how awesome does it come with pancakes? So we got the pancakes, lunch, and I'm gonna get this Angus burger that looked really good on the menu. And I think Roy's getting breakfast.
A veggie omelet.
A veggie omelet. All right, so we're gonna get a little bit of almost everything. I think they have a couple more items on the menu. Cheers. So IHOP, International House of Pancakes, there's roughly about a little over 1,800 locations. It was started back in 1958 in Los Angeles, California, in case you were wondering. Wow.
Amazing.
That looks really good.
My veggie omelet.
And the best thing on the table, bam. This is a Reese's peanut butter pancake. That looks amazing.
The turkey bacon.
Oh, look at that.
Turkey bacon.
This is an amazing looking hamburger. Oh my God, with onion rings. I'm in heaven. Onion rings. Very good. the first thing I have to do is dig into this pancake. We have to get an M&M on there too. That is it's like Reese's peanut butter with Hershey's chocolate with Reese's actual Reese's Pieces. Awesome flavored, awesome fluffy pancake with whipped cream. Man, should be illegal. So what do you think of that? That looks pretty good, actually. Is that turkey?
Turkey. Is it good?
And it is kind of strange that the turkey comes with 2 pancakes and a piece of like garlic toast. What is that? Is that a cranberry sauce?
I think so.
Wow. Can I taste any cranberry sauce?
Yeah.
It's supposed to go with the turkey. You know that? Cranberry sauce. Well, since in America they like to go straight from Halloween right to Christmas, we're gonna have Paige is actually having Thanksgiving dinner today. But I'm gonna have this awesome looking burger. Perfect. And you don't have to tell them to actually cook it. Turkey with cranberry sauce. I don't know if you guys have that in your country, but it is a favorite in America, especially during Thanksgiving. Sliced cranberries with turkey. Good. Well, I don't know about you guys, but I'm full. Are you full?
I'm full.
I caught her mid-lipstick.
Yeah.
You guys have never been to America. I hope you guys try IHOP. Of course, I think if you've been here, everybody's pretty much tried International House of Pancakes. Anyway, we'll see you guys on the next No Time to Be Hungry video. Bye.
Bye, y'all.